Luis, have you seen those videos where the agents just disappear on camera?
Yeah, I see it all the time. Every agent's doing it.
You know how to do that, right?
Yeah, we'll do it. Okay, 3, 2.
Here's what you can buy around $600,000 in the Playa del Sol community of San Diego.
Okay, now disappear. No, like you're supposed to disappear.
I'm trying, Luis. How do you disappear? I don't know.
I don't think it's working. You really don't know how to do this?
No.
All right, I'll just take care of it.
Yeah, Playa del Sol is such an amazing community. It has a beautiful pool.
Mom, you gotta move.
Oh my God, it's just an amazing community.